morning. It is Friday today, I think. And I'm up, obviously, showered. We're just packing up the camp. And at the moment, the propane has run out on the gas cooker, so I'm going to try and figure out how to switch it to the other propane. This one's run out, so I'm going to try and figure out how to replace it with a new one. Wish me luck, I have no idea what I'm doing.
You've just changed it? Seriously? Are you sure it's right though?
We'll soon find out.
Just, oh God, that's so awesome.
Who's camping now? Here we are in the van. We're going to the visitor centre, Townsend Visitor Centre. We're hoping to find postcards and t-shirts and tuts that we can buy. Gift shop success. I got a t-shirt. We stopped off on one of the trails in the Smoky Mountains on our way to Nashville. And it's like this fire tower thing that we're walking up. And you see at the top there's like a viewpoint, but you can see it here, Smoky Mountains. Hey, so we've arrived in Nashville. It's so hot, it's so humid. It's like 95 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 35 degrees Celsius. So not quite Death Valley temperatures, but still really bloody hot. I think we're gonna pitch our tents now and then head into Nashville and probably stay there until it's dark. So we need to get the tent pitching out of the way. You're gonna cry? What? Take those off. We want to see the tears.
Deacon! Oh my God.
There were the tears. Did you see that? That was a tear. What is the Grand Ole Opry?
A place where country music singers come to sing, and it is an honour, and if you get invited to sing at the Grand Ole Opry, you know you've made it in country music. Not only that, it's in the show Nashville.
You like Nashville?
I really like Nashville.
So that's what it is. Grand Ole Opry. Where country singers come when they make it. This is, I think it's called Love Park. It's supposed to have like really good views over Nashville. It is raining and thundering and overcast, so we don't know if we're actually going to see anything still. Oh, it's over there, you can kind of see.
That's how you do it! That's how you do it!
So cool. This is the Parthenon, which is like the big building in Greece, but they have one in Nashville, and this one's got the Athena Parthenos in it, which is like iconic in Greek mythology because it was like this massive statue of Athena. There it is! I'm so excited! It's so cool. Fortunately, it's like 5 o'clock and it closes at 4:30, so we can't go in and actually see the Athena Parthenos, which is really upsetting, but like, what can you do? Just have to come back. It's so beautiful. I want to see the real one in Greece.
so beautiful.
Oh.
You and me. I've been spotlight, you're a million miles away.
It's great man to the right and great man to the left.
Tonight we went to the Wild Horse Saloon, which was like a bar with country music and line dancing. We did temporary tattoos. I got one that's like the Nashville skyline. Can you see that? There it is. It's upside down, but I can't turn my arm around because it's an arm and it don't bend like that. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Waffle House for breakfast. And I've never been to Waffle House before, so that's exciting. I'm going to bed now. I don't know about you.